Hello everyone, it's Elle from Gmail Fiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a bulleted list here on Gmail. So you can create a bulleted list by, of course, creating a new message and then typing it in your email body. So what you have to do first is to access your Gmail inbox over here, and once you have this page loaded, then you should be able to follow the steps of this tutorial. So next is, of course, click the compose button, and then this will pop up and you can just maximize that so you can view it better. So let's just do that. And for example, I want to make a to-do list and send it to some people. So for example, let's just type in So as you can see, this is a list, however it is not organized or bulleted. So what you have to do is to just select all and then refer to the icons here. So you can just click the formatting options over here and click this one. So it says bulleted list. So just click that, and as you can see, we have now created a list in bullets. So alternatively, you can click this first and you can type in. So for example, just type in some random stuff. So you can just do that by just entering phrases or words or whatever you want. So yes, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.